Ayan po. Muntik na naging silent movie. But look at the steps that I'm going to go down through. Ayan siya. Nanginginig na po ako. Wala siyang railing here. And I think I went the wrong way, but that's okay. So, ayan. I'll keep you posted when I get down there.